Have you ever felt when you're on your own, you don't feel enough?
You couldn't feel more alone. We thrive on connection, creativity, and uniqueness. But isn't it ironic? That's often what comes between us.
Perhaps you're watching someone else's isolation, too cautious to reach out, to avoid confrontation.
Disconnected, busy, or too distracted, or normalise the excuse for why we shouldn't have interacted.
I get it, we all do it. The story that we tell ourselves to make it okay.
Why would they listen to me? Will it always be this way?
Change has to start somewhere, and it can start with you. Because if I'm thinking it,
then maybe you are too.
Let others in, share your perspective, open up.
Give those who care about you a chance to show up.
we can make a change, not go along with what they say. Be true to what we believe, don't let negativity lead the way.
Be the difference that you want to see.
Make a positive change to your community.
In the park, online, on the street, we all have a responsibility to respect all that we meet.
Reach out to someone if you need to talk. Be brave, take a step. Don't let it be a lonely walk.
Reach out to someone even when it's not expected. Surprise them with your support. Let them feel protected.
Reach out if you're not proud of the things you've done. Question, rethink. You're not the only one.
Whether in school, at home, in public or online. Let's reach out, now's the right time.
But it doesn't stop with us, and we don't think it should. We all have the power to make a change for good.
From teachers to parents and influencers to politicians, let's reach out and challenge them. Share with them our mission.
United we are stronger, of that there's no doubt. So let's see what's possible when we all reach out.